Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most stylish and most attractive collection of hairstyle. Most attractive, stylish and most gorgeous collection for your long and short hairs according your faces, for round face, for long face, all face. You can see most attractive and most beautiful collection you can carry with your beautiful faces. You can attend parties with these beautiful styles, and you can carry attractive and amazing collection at home also. So beautiful, so gorgeous, so attractive collection in front of you. So dear friends, please subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, you will get all the notification of my channel, so my all videos you can see. And please dear friends, like my videos, share my videos with your close friends, relatives, and they also enjoy this video. Now dear friends, goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.